If Insel Air Aruba is any indication, there seems to be tremendous potential within Aruba's aviation industry. The airline is expanding and adding routes. The next one to be launched on April 11th is a direct flight from Aruba to Miami. Frederick Newbor is the Chief Executive Officer of Insel Air Aruba. The airline sees a great demand for the Miami route on the island. As well, Insel Air's connecting flights from destinations such as Caracas and Valencia will benefit to have a flight to Miami. The fact Aruba offers U.S. pre-clearance allows more opportunities for airlines.
Well, especially the station Aruba in the whole Insel Air group idea, we have here a pre-clearance facility. Well, that's a very powerful tool to have. So we will see our passengers fly with us via Aruba. We think a lot more than via Curacao, but that will be proven in the future.
Initially, Aruba was seen as more of a hub within Insel Air airline. However, the demand from passengers to vacation on the island has allowed Insel Air Aruba to make a name for itself. There are plans to continuously expand and grow.
Up till now, Insel Air was in Curacao active as a transito airline, people that flow from the States to Venezuela and back. And you had a little bit also of people from Curacao going to the States. But Insel Air Aruba will be more categorized by visitors that come to our destination here in Aruba. So that is a different point of view for our airline, and that's why we are opening offices also in the States to sell tickets to Aruba.
Insel Air has various branches such as Insel Air Curacao. Executives saw a decline in Curacao. As for Aruba, decision makers of the airline has faith, high hopes, and plans.
In Aruba, we are opening up after that we had already an airline based in Curacao for 7 years. We saw that the potential of growth was diminishing in Curacao, and we saw also that there is a big potential in Aruba. Even that we think that Insel Air Aruba will grow and become an airline that is much bigger in Aruba. So we see the future bright in Aruba, and we hope to serve our Aruban community also by offering them different destinations that wasn't offered any in the past before.
Insel Air Aruba's expansion is, of course, a positive step forward for the island's aviation industry, which ultimately adds to the economic standings of the nation.